Hey everyone, today we will be making chocolate chip cookies for Christmas.
These are super easy to make, and even kids can make them. Like us. So let's have some fun.
So for this recipe, you will need light brown sugar, granulated sugar, some chocolate chips, vanilla extract, some flour,
Eggs, salt, baking soda, and some butter.
That's it.
And now we add the 4 sticks of butter into this big bowl.
Make sure that the butter is at room temperature and that it's soft. And now we add the brown sugar
And the white sugar. And
then
we
we
mix. Oh, and also, if you need to know any of the amounts of the ingredients shown in this video, then just look at the first few seconds of this video to see the ingredient page.
After you've mixed it and until the butter and sugar are smooth, add in the vanilla extract and mix that in too.
So now we're going to be adding the eggs in. And so what you want to do is you want to add in 1 egg and then you want to mix it. And then add your other egg and then mix it again. And you want to repeat this process until you've mixed all the eggs.
And now for the dry ingredients, we have the flour. And now we're gonna mix in some salt and some baking soda. And now we're gonna mix in our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients.
And make sure to pour only a little bit of the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients until you've finally finished that process and you've poured in all of the dry ingredients.
And now it's time to add in the chocolate chips.
Ooh, my favorite part!
Make sure to mix them throughout the batter.
And try not to eat them.
So now lay parchment paper on a pan and use an ice cream scooper to make balls.
Using a cookie scooper will be easier, but this method also works.
Bake the cookies for 10 to 12 minutes at 375 degrees until the edges are golden.
And then watch the magic happen.
Ooh, these cookies look so good.
I know, they're so tasty.
We're planning on giving these to our neighbor.
What a great idea. If we don't finish them by then.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Happy Cooking.
Bye!
Thank you!